Welcome to Vegan Ultra. I'm your inspiration guide, Adam Gallus, on this epic quest for health, hope, and happiness in which I lose 150 pounds in 12 months on a whole food vegan diet while walking 3,000 miles to prove to myself, my family, and everybody watching on YouTube that we can all become the ultra versions of ourselves if we give it a chance and are powered by plants. Today is the exciting conclusion the 9 healthy food groups. We've talked about vegetables, fruits, grains, legumes, seeds, nuts, mushrooms, and spices. And you might be wondering, what on earth could possibly be left? Well, the answer is absolutely obvious the moment you hear about it. The answer is water. As Mark Twain once said, whiskey is for drinking and water is for fighting, because this is the most precious resource on earth, necessary for all life as we know it. Now, you might be wondering, what is the benefit of having enough water intake? Well, let's take a look at the Blue Zone mortality benefit spreadsheet. Here it is, 26% lower mortality if you have good water intake. Statistically speaking, that's about 5 extra years of life. So what exactly is good water intake? Well, to answer that, we can turn to Dr. Goldner, who is one of the professors teaching at the T. Colin Campbell Cornell Center for Nutrition Study at Cornell University, and she has done absolutely incredible work with reversing autoimmune diseases such as lupus with a plant-based diet. But she practices an entire lifestyle medicine, as all the doctors who teach at that course do, and adequate water intake defined as on average 1 ounce per body pound weight up to 1 gallon, or about 128 ounces per day, is what she recommends. Now, where did she get that? Did she just pull that out of her butt? No, she did not. We have here, for example, from a 2022 study, a national prospective study, meaning that they actually went forward in time, not just backwards, looking on 36,000 adults above the age of 20 with 7.3 years of follow-up. And so they broke it down into quartiles. Those people drinking less than about 5 cups per day compared to those drinking as much as about 1.3 gallons per day. So what were the benefits? They were actually statistically significant benefits to mortality, heart disease, even cancer. But you might be wondering, okay, what kind of benefits are we talking about? Well, let's take a look here. We can zoom out. They looked at various kinds of water intake, from food, from beverages, from just plain water. So beverages might include things like tea or coffee, and total water intake. So let's take a look at the plain water intake. Here you can see around 3,700 grams, or 3.7 liters, just over 1 gallon per day, a 26% reduction. There's your 5 extra years. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Oh my God, a gallon a day? How on earth are you going to be able to accomplish that? Well, here is my life hack. This $30 jug, King Camp, 88 ounces. This is what I have 2 of to help me with my training and my Blue Zone vegan lifestyle. Now, what makes this special? Why is this worth $30? I should note, I am not in any way getting paid by this company. I just really love this product, and I'll tell you why. There are lots of other jugs, but here's the deal. This is BPA free and PFAS free because it's made from Eastman Triton. It's basically a kind of plastic that is actually safe. This is not going to leach toxic crap into your water that's going to cause infertility, cancer, and all kinds of other diseases you're trying to avoid by drinking enough water. It also comes with this nice infuser so you can flavor your water with fruit. Let me tell you, if you put some apple cider vinegar with the mother inside some water, it tastes like lemonade. And put some tangerines or other kinds of fruit, that is some good water. Now, here's what's really useful. This has a marker that will show you how far you should be proceeding in a day. Now, remember the optimal amount of water, as we saw from that curve, they didn't study beyond about 3.8 liters. So that's about a gallon and a half, or about 2 of these a day, which is what I try to do. But even drinking just 1 of these a day would be incredibly beneficial to your health. Remember, water, lower mortality risk, lower heart disease risk, lower cancer risk. It boosts your immunity. It makes you happier. It helps you sleep. It's just essential for all life on Earth. And it is the 9th healthy food group if you make sure to get enough water and spices and seeds and nuts and mushrooms and fruits and vegetables and grains and legumes. That's all you need for optimal health, to be the healthiest, happiest version of yourself. Thank you for joining me for this series. I hope you join me for the next series about the 5 pillars of optimal health on a Blue Zone vegan lifestyle that I'll be doing over the next 5 weeks. It's going to be amazing, hopefully life-changing. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video to help other people find it on YouTube, and consider trying a Blue Zone vegan lifestyle. It's helped me to lose over 100 pounds in 6 months and become the healthiest, happiest version of myself. And it can help anybody become the Captain America version of yourself if you give it a chance and are powered by plants.